Hello, my name is Matthew Lee, and in this video I will be discussing arithmetic sequences. First, I will go over some important vocabulary that you will need to know before we move on with the video. A sequence is an ordered list of numbers. A series is the sum of the terms of a sequence. In this video, we will focus on the arithmetic sequence. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence with the difference between two consecutive terms constant. This is known as the common difference. For example, in the sequence 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, and so on, a fixed amount, or the common difference, of 3 is constantly added on to progress from one term to the next. However, let's say you wanted to find a specific term in a sequence. In that case, you would use the formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. A sub n represents the actual value of the term you're looking for. A sub 1 represents the first term in the sequence. D represents the common difference, and n represents the desired term in the sequence. So how would we use that in an actual problem? For example, let's say you wanted to find the 10th term of the sequence 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. First, we would substitute in the terms that we already know. N is equal to 10 because we are looking for the 10th term. A sub 1 is equal to 3 because it is the first term in the sequence. And D is equal to 2 because it is the common difference. As you can see, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, and 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Now that we substituted everything into the equation, we're ready to solve. 10 minus 1 will get you 9, 9 times 2 will get you 18, and then 18 plus 3 will get you 21. 21 is the 10th term of the sequence. Moving on, I present to you arithmetic means. Arithmetic means are simply terms between any two terms in an arithmetic sequence, or you could also call it the average of the given terms. Now how would we go about solving it? First, we would need to find the common difference. To do so, we would use this formula. Then we will substitute in all known variables and solve for the common difference. If done correctly, an answer of 4 should be present. Then we will add on the common difference of 4 to each consecutive term to find our missing arithmetic means, which should be 11, 15, and 19. So what if we were trying to find the sum of a finite arithmetic series? We would use the formula S of n is equal to n times a sub 1 plus a sub n all divided by 2. S of n equals the sum of the arithmetic sequence. N is the number of terms in the sequence. A sub 1 is the first term in the sequence. And a sub n is the last term in the sequence. Let's try this in another example. Find the sum of the first 30 terms of 5 plus 9 plus 13 plus 17 and so on. Now if we use our formula, we're unable to completely substitute in all variables. Therefore, we use our other formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. This formula will allow us to solve for the last term of the sequence, the missing term that we need to solve this other formula. Now that we have the last term, we can finally solve our problem. Substituting in all variables, we come to a sum of 1,890 for our answer. I hope you enjoyed my video, and thanks for watching.